Hey, welcome to my channel. Grace Odao here with another hair video. In this video, I'm reviewing and installing this boho braid wig. I like the idea of switching up hairstyles oftenly without too much manipulation on my natural hair, and to do this, I wear wigs. So, when Jaliza Hairstyles reached out to me to ask if I could try out their HD boho braid wig, I said yes, and here is what I received. The wig came in this box with other items. The other items include a melting band, a wig bag for storing the wig when you're not wearing it, a wig cap which was too light and I ended up using my own. It also came with cards that have clear instructions on how to maintain the wig and a return package slip. My first impression of the wig is that it is well packed to protect it from any damage that may occur during shipping. As you can see, the lace is HD transparent. The braided wig comes with edges which are human hair and look natural, and you can style it the way you want. The inner part of the braided wig has an adjustable elastic band to ensure that the wig fits you perfectly, and it also has 4 wig combs that ensures your wig stays in place and for a flat glueless install. This boho braid wig is a full lace and very lightweight. Also, the roots and the curls are human hair and tangle free, which means it is easy to maintain this wig and it can last longer. To install the wig, I started by applying a little bit of foundation on the lace for it to match my skin tone and for the braids to look like they're coming from my scalp. There's also another adjustable strap at the back, which I adjusted before wearing, then I just cut the tag. I adjusted the elastic band too, then I wore the back part first, and as I was adjusting the front part, I held the lace gently as I was just putting it in place. Also remember, this is HD lace, so you need to be very gentle as you push and pull it. If you do not want to sit for 8 hours or more to get your braids done, this might be the best option for you because you can get ready in 5 minutes. The wig is pre-cut, but I did trim it a little bit. So for you to get ready in 5 minutes, you just trim the lace, adjust the straps, and then you style the edges and you're ready to go. For the glueless wear, this is how it looks. I tried just to brush the edges back to see how it looks without the edges. As you can see, it still looks good. You see how it matches with my skin tone? It's definitely giving scalp. So here I just trimmed the lace a little bit, and after trimming, here is how the wig looks. This is just glueless. I had not applied any glue. I just adjusted the straps. No one can easily tell that this is a wig unless they are up close and in your business. This boho braid wig is easy to wear and easy to maintain. I wanted to see how the wig looks when it's glued on. Also, I wanted to try out styling the wig in different ways. And for that, I decided to start with an HD cap. Then I cleaned the area where I was going to spray the glue on. Once the glue was sticky, I carefully put the front part in place and ensured that all the sides were well stuck. Then I tied a melting band and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And the lace just melted into my skin. Also, the dark roots blended so well with my scalp. Then I did the edges. If you know me, then you know I normally don't do my edges. With any styles, I normally don't have edges. But for this wig, I was curious to see how edges look. and I just applied styling gel and a bit of the freezing spray. Then I tied a melting band for the edges to just lay flat and to stay in place. While it was drying, I applied mousse on the wig to give it a nice finish, also to add shine to the curls. Remember, the curls are human hair and tangle free. That's actually the best part about this wig. And it is very light. This unit is 100 strands and 24 inches long. I like that this wig is HD, easy to wear, easy to maintain, and you can style it in so many different ways. Here are a few ways I styled this boho braid wig. The wig is from Jaliza Hair and you can get it via the link in the description box of this video. If you've watched this far, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. Do give this video a thumbs up, share widely, and see you on the next one.